Good morning! Yan, pinakain ko sila ng ganito. Nagmumukbang din sila. Nagmumukbang din yung mga pusa ko. Okay, sila yung regular 3 pusa ko talaga. Okay, so yung iba. Where's Wolfie? Yan. Kinakain nila dyan. Sige, kainin nyo pa. They have extra rice. Okay na? Pakita ka doon. Si Wolfie ayaw na. Ayaw ni Wolfie. Si Wolfie ayaw niya ng ganyan. Sawa. Wolfie! Oh, there you are. And there's Whitey. She finished. So ready to go out. Okay. So the other one is eating. Let's go outside. Hey you, cats. So yung isang can hindi na nila maubos. So ibibigay ko yan sa pusa. Let's go. Come on. Let's go outside now, Wow. Let's go. Let's go. What about you, Whitey? Come here. You are ready to go out. There you go, Wow. Come on. Whitey, go out. Wolfie, come on. Oh, there you go. So I need to... Hold on. Need to let Whitey to go out because maybe she will throw up later. Let's go, girl. Come on. Let's go. Come on, girly. Hurry up. Come on. Hurry up, girl. Let's go out. Oh, she doesn't want to go out. She wants to stay here. Bye-bye, Whitey. So that was outside. It's cold. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving.